BMW has been creating quite a buzz about the second generation X2 in recent weeks, and the moment has finally arrived for its grand official debut. The 2024 X2 will roll into US dealerships come March next year, flaunting a fresh new look, 2 different power options, and an array of innovative technologies. The global premiere of this crossover is scheduled to take place at the Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo, kicking off on October 26th. As the headline suggests, the X2's roofline effortlessly melds into the rear, crafting a sleek, coupe-like profile, a fact we were already privy to from those undercover spy shots. The front end stands tall and proud, while the flared wheel arches and robust rear give off an air of confidence, lending the crossover a more mature aura compared to its predecessor. Special headlights, revamped rear lights, and an optional illuminated BMW kidney grille help the X2 stand out from its X1 kin. Notably, this is the first compact BMW that can be fitted with spacious 21-inch wheels. The X2's body panels boast clean surfaces, keeping the number of dynamic lines to a minimum. The door handles sit flush with the body, creating a seamless appearance. The slender side windows sport a modified interpretation of the Hofmeister kink, contributing to the X2's enhanced elegance. For the numbers enthusiasts, the X2 has expanded in size, gaining an extra 7.6 inches in length, reaching a total of 179.8 inches, and boasting a wheelbase 0.9 inches longer than its predecessor. Step inside, and you'll swiftly notice the increased roominess compared to the previous X2 model. For instance, there's an additional inch of knee room in the rear seats, and even with all 5 seats in use, the cargo area can accommodate a generous 25.3 cubic feet of cargo. If you decide to fold down the second row of seats, the storage capacity extends to a maximum of 51.7 cubic feet. The interior of the X2 puts a significant emphasis on touch and voice control, courtesy of the BMW Curve Display and BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, powered by the new BMW iDrive 9. This system made its debut on the 2024 BMW X1 M35i xDrive back in June this year. The curved center display combines a 10.25-inch information display and a 10.7-inch infotainment display, blending seamlessly behind a curved glass surface. The Quick Select tool allows for the swift activation of selected functions without diving into submenus, and a simple tap on the home icon takes users back to the home screen. Lastly, a noteworthy addition to the interior features is a cabin-facing camera capable of snapping photos and capturing videos. Under the hood, the X2 will be available in the United States with 2 distinct powertrain options. The base choice is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine in the X2 xDrive 28i, pumping out 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This engine enables the crossover to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 6.2 seconds. Opt for the X2 M35i xDrive, and you'll enjoy a more robust 2.0-liter unit delivering 312 horsepower and 295 pound-foot of torque, catapulting the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 5.2 seconds. The M35i's engine benefits from a sturdier crankshaft, optimized oil supply for the pistons, and various other enhancements to bolster performance. Additionally, an M-specific exhaust system adds a distinctive growl to the driving experience. It's worth noting that the X2 M35i xDrive packs 296 horsepower in Europe due to emissions regulations. Both X2 models come exclusively with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This latest gen transmission boasts electric actuation, a broader gear ratio spread, and enhanced internal efficiency. Notably, the transmission automatically shifts into park mode when the engine is turned off, and it also applies an electric parking brake when parked on an incline. Furthermore, the gearbox incorporates a mechanical limited-slip differential to optimize traction and enhance handling stability. Production of the new BMW X2 will be a global affair, with manufacturing taking place at the company's Regensburg plant.